Now we're moving to our ZS's. ZS can be obtained by two methods. It can be obtained by the dead method using two measured values, that is the R1, R2 value obtained at continuity and then the ZE value, and that gives you a calculated ZS, and it's super safe by doing that method. But we can also do a measured ZS, and I'm only going to do a measured ZS on socket outlets. With regards to the other circuits, I will do a calculated ZS, and that's really to minimise our live working as per the electricity at work regs kind of recommends. So I'm going to power up the board sort of in a controlled manner. My incoming switch is on. I'm turning the first circuit breaker on, sorry, the first RCD on, and I'm turning the cabin sockets on, which is the ring final circuit. There you go, rated at B32. And I'm then going to go around each of the socket outlets and obtain a value of ZS. I've turned the switches off on the sockets, and that's just so that I can see which ones I've kind of done. Now as I go around this time, the values won't be the same because there's not a cross connection. It will start off low near the consumer unit. It will then increase to the highest point at the centre point of the ring. Any spurs will give a higher value. So I'll turn him on. Same setting on the instrument. .88. Remember, this also confirms that the polarity is correct, so as well as the R1, R2, the dead test confirming polarity, a live ZS also confirms polarity. So go around all the circuits on the ring and look for the highest value. In this instance, I'm in the spur. I've decided that's a spur because I determined it when I did the dead test. And then once again, take your value. And that value of 0.93 is the highest value obtained on that circuit, and that becomes the recorded ZS for that circuit on the schedule of test results. I shall then repeat that test for the other sockets, which is the porch socket. This is the radial circuit down at the bottom, and the value obtained for this will be .77 ohms. So the remaining ZS's I'm going to calculate for safety reasons, and there's no point putting myself at risk